Hey, welcome back everyone to our newscast this evening. Mike Schultz with you once again for the weather. And we had our snow this afternoon. Now we're getting the winds starting to move in and become a little more robust. We'll talk more about that in just a little bit. Taking a look at our almanac for the day, as you can see our numbers. Today's high 25, the low last night 16, the record high 45 in 1928, 51 below in 1932. Sunrise and sunset about 10 hours and 7 minutes. That's a gain of 7 minutes from yesterday. And as far as we're updating our weather, well, this is the latest we have from the Weather Service. The gusty winds should be slowly diminishing with visibilities reduced at times in the blowing and drifting snow. Some drifting on the roads is also possible, keep that in mind. And power outages are still also possible, so if you lose your power, you'll understand why, but things should be better by morning. Now, here's what's going on as far as the satellite and radar. Look how well-formed, I should say, this frontal system is. Again, a straight line boundary there. That's why the winds are so strong behind the system. And another system expected to move in on the west coast, but that will be not affecting our weather until probably Wednesday or Thursday, the way it looks right now. But pretty wild weather, even down around the Anchorage Bowl. What else is going on across the rest of the state? Well, you can see we have mild temperatures around Ketchikan, a little shower activity in the area there, 36 at Juneau. In the Anchorage Bowl, 31 degrees at Anchorage, down around Kodiak, 44 in clouds, 39 degrees at Cold Bay with partly cloudy skies, and then up and down the west coast, mainly clear to partly cloudy skies, but windy also out in that area. Barrow looking at 3 degrees below zero, and Fort Yukon a little snow and 27 above. Lower 48 weather looks like this, and again we're talking about maybe a little rain over the southern sections of California, even thunderstorms being reported there. The snow they had in Dallas has now changed over to rain, so I bet that's a nice mess for those folks. 22 at Denver, also 20 degrees in Minneapolis. More snow over the northeast, but nothing heavy there. And showers and rain across the deep south and over the Florida Peninsula. The overall satellite and radar kind of gives you an idea. This big blob of pink here is the frozen precipitation that moved across parts of Texas and Oklahoma, Kansas, Arkansas, Missouri, and still continues to move off to the northeast, but it's diminishing there. And out to the west, just a few pockets of moisture, but there's the showers and thunderstorms over the Los Angeles area, and that's because of a small area of low pressure that developed. Now, the overall outlook is for early next week, actually not a couple days away from now. We're looking at, again, the jet stream to continue to dive down to the south, pulling that cold air in behind it, and cold air across the northern half of the country, but down to the southern half, mainly just showers and warmer temperatures, too. Well, back to Alaska for tomorrow, and again, a real mixed bag of weather going on. Some blowing snow for the Barrow area, cloudy skies at Nome, and a few snow showers in Fort Yukon. Here in the interior, everything will be gone. Cloudy skies for Fairbanks and Healy, becoming partly cloudy by evening. A few snow showers hanging around the Delta area. Over southeast Alaska, it looks like partly cloudy skies in Juneau. Rain developing late at Ketchikan. While out to the southwest, mild temperatures there. Rain for Cold Bay, 44 degrees for their high tomorrow. Rain likely for Kodiak, and sunny skies expected in Bethel. And if you're heading on down the Anchorage area, keep in mind the roads will be very nasty from today's snow, but mostly sunny skies in Anchorage at Valdez, and partly cloudy skies for Homer. So our forecast for the rest of the evening looks like this. Snow and blowing snow should be slowly ending by morning, 0 for the overnight low. Tomorrow's forecast, cloudy and colder, but clearing by the evening hours, 28 degrees. And the extended forecast, temperatures going up and down here. Not too bad, warming up again by Tuesday, 30 degrees on to Wednesday, and then cooling back down again by Thursday and Friday. And maybe a chance of a little light snow possibly for Wednesday and Thursday. Overnight lows will also be cooling down to around 0 by Tuesday night, but then warming back up again to around 10 by Wednesday night.